Tawela, it's your maths tutor. So today we're on our lesson number 3, the cube roots. The questions are determine the cube roots of the following numbers. So we will determine the cube root of 8. What would like? What would fit the prime factors 8. First of all, I have to define or the prime number so the prime number ke di nomoro tse le gore go kene ka mogare ga tsona go tsena 1 le yona fela or nomoro e le gore go kene a gone di nomoro tse pedi ka ntle le 1 multiply by nomoro ya newe e le gore go kene is going to give you that answer. So that is a prime number. So prime number ya mathomo ke ene ke 2. If you are go le ngushisho gore ke ta jona the only time we can go 2 we berekisa di nomoro tse pedi re di multiply ke 1 multiply by 2, and then there's also 3 le yona is the same. We can only get 3 and multiply 1 multiply by 3, and then the other one is 5, and then you have 7, you have 11. For sure by now you understand that you are following what I mean. So we're going to find the prime factors of 8. The number of multiply 8 again, it's going to be 2 and 4. So there are also two numbers again, 4, which is what? Which is 2 and 2. So looking at our prime numbers there, prime number is 2. And then we know that 8 is the same as what? 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Now let's come back to the question. Once we have a cube roots, and then we are only going to take that one number. So that means the cube root of 8 is the cube root of 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. And then just like we did, got the square roots. So that means the cube root of 8 again is 2. Now let's move to 27. Area 27, two numbers. So multiply the 27 again 3 multiply by 9, and then 9 again 3 multiply by 3. So that means we're getting 27 is the same as 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So the cube root of 27 is another 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. And then the village again, we need the number of the tarot, you are just going to write a 1. So that means the cube root of 27 is 3. And then now we move to 64. So two numbers still multiply for 64 get 2 multiply by 32. And then 32 get 2 multiply by 16. And then 16 get 2 multiply by 8. 8 is going to be what? 2 multiply by 4. This one is longer, and then we have 2 multiply by 2. 4. The prime number it's only 2's. So get it 2 guy. So it means 64 is the same as 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, and then multiply by 2 multiply by 2. How many 2's are here? 2, 4, 6. And then that means we are going to multiply each pair of 2's. So 2 multiply by 2 give 4 multiply by 4 multiply by 4. So 64 is the same as 4 multiply by 4 multiply by 4. That means the cube root of 64, we can also write it as 4 multiply by 4 multiply by 4. So now the answer is going to be what? 4. And then now we are going to find what? The cube root of 125. So for us to find the cube root of 125, if you don't know so you just go and use your long division. you're just going to say 125, and it's about 125 again. It's a multiples of 5, so you can just check or 5 is another guide 125, so we're just going to have 5 and it's about 5 multiplied by which number 125, and then one of the multiples of 5 come out to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 is another guy 118, 5 is another guy 12, then 12 is somewhere here, so that means what is another guy 1, 2 is another 2, and then this number that is on this line give like 10. From there you subtract 2 minus 0 is going to be 2, 1 minus 1 is going to be 0. 5 ya 2, no, we drop down this 5. 5 is another 25, then you draw that line here like it's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then that means we'll give 5. The number that is on this line give like 25. 5 minus 5 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. So that means 5 is another 125 times. You will multiply 25, and we know 2 numbers that refer 25. Give 5 multiply by 5. And that's about a 5 prime number. That means we can continue. So that means 125 is the same as 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. And then that means the cube root of 125 is the same as the cube root of 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. That means our answer is going to be what? 5. So, for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.